Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Knowledge Base. Myself Vikas and I am explaining to you the basics of PLC programming. So for starting of learning the PLC programming, you have to aware some basics which we will cover in this first episode. Basically, if anyone have to learn PLC programming, then they need to know first logic gates. So we will start with the logic gates today. So logic gates. When we'll start to study logic gates, few questions are come into our mind, which is what is logic gates, how logic gates works, and how we can use this is in PLC programming. So now we can study logic gates and its PLC implementation one by one. These all are the logic gates: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate, which is used in electronics world. You see every gate is come with input and output. So as per the working principle of that gate, we will get results. Now you see the square for NAND and NOR gate. Why it is? Because NAND and NOR gate is called as universal gate. So what is universal gate? Universal gate means we can design all other gates using these two gates. So that's why they called as a universal gate. Now we move forward to the study gates one by one. First we will study NOT gate. You see symbol for NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as an inverter. NOT gate looks like a triangle pointing to the right with a circle at its end. So this circle is also called as a inversion bubble. See the truth table for the NOT gate. See the truth table for the NOT gate. We get output 0 when input is high and vice versa. When input is 0, the output is 1, and when input is 1, then when output is 0. That is the NOT gate, means which is the input. It is exactly complement of that input. So this is the IC used for NOT gate. It's a CD4049 CMOS hex inverter. It is used as a NOT gate in a circuit. So here VDD is a positive supply and VSS is a negative supply, and you can use Q1 as output and A1 as an input. So next we will study the AND gate. AND gate is the multiplication of the input. So you see the symbol A and B is the input and A into B is the output. That is the multiplication of the two inputs. So this is the truth table for the AND gate. So you see that when input is input A and input B is 0, then output is 0. When input A is 0 and output input B is 1, then output is 0. And likewise you can see that 1 into 1 is 1. When input A and input B is 1, then output is 1. So same like IC7408 quad 2 input AND gate is used for AND gate presentation in electronic circuit. So this one is inputs, 2 inputs AND gate, and one is output. So VCC and ground is a VCC means positive supply and ground is negative supply. So we see then PLC program representation for AND gate. It is in ladder logic. So it is very simple actually. A into B means we have used two NO contact in a series and one coil for our understanding. So here A is on, it is a normal NO switch, normally open, and B is off. So we have made combination for 1 and 0. So output is 0. Next one, we have made combination for 0 and P is 1, then output is 0. So you see here that same you have represent here, and next one we have represent this combination. So you say that when inputs is both inputs are 1, then output is high. Now next we will study OR gate. This one is the OR gate symbol. OR gate output is a addition of both input. So that's why output is showing y is equal to a plus b. So this is one is truth table for OR gate. Whenever any input is 1, then output is 1, and if both the inputs are 1, then also output is 1. So this is the truth table for OR gate. So now IC 4071 is used for the OR gate, CMOS quad 2 input OR gate. It is used in electronic circuitry. So here A1 and B1 is the inputs, and Q1 is output. So now we go with a PLC representation for this OR gate. So for OR gate we have used a parallel combination of NO contacts. So here A and B is off, then you can see when both switches are off, then output is 0, low. So when any one of the input is on, then output is high. Likewise, second input is on, then switch is on, and when both inputs are on, then always be output is on. This is the OR gate. NAND gate. This is symbol for NAND gate. NAND gate having two inputs, and you see that bubble is here, inversion bubble. That is not of AND gate. So output is showing A into B complement. This one is a truth table for NAND gate. It is exactly opposite of AND gate. So you can get the output for exactly opposite to AND gate. Now there is a two representation for NAND gate design. So we can design NAND gate using AND and NOT gate, or NOT and OR gate. So here both designs are made. So easy to understand. So next is where NAND gate is used. The IC7400 is used in electronic circuitry as a NAND gate. Here is the same input and outputs like AND gate. So now we move forward to the PLC programming representation. Here we can see that A and B switch is there, but both are normally closed. So why both are normally closed? Because we have used this presentation, this representation, or this design to show in ladder logic. So we can easily understand the actual logic of NAND gate PLC programming. So both switches are normally closed. Then as per truth table, you see that 1. So both switches are normally closed, then output is 1. So we can open switch A, and switch B is already normally closed. So output becomes high. In second, in third way, again we switch on A and switch off B, then output becomes high. And in last one, both switches are off and open, so output is low. This is the NAND gate representation in PLC programming. So we can see after few slides how the PLC programming works in a NAND gate. So next is NOR gate. You can see the NOR gate symbol. NOR gate having two inputs and one output. So one circle is there. So it is also called as a knot of OR. So OR gate and this one bubble is actually design of NOR gate. So output becomes A plus B complement. So this one is a truth table for NOR gate. NOR gate truth table. You can see that output for NOT gate, when both inputs are 0 then output is 1, and any one of the input is high then output is 0. That is the NOR gate. This is a representation made for NOR gate design. So we can design NOR gate using OR and NOT, OR of NOT, or NOT of AND. So both representation made for NOR gate design. So IC 4001 CMOS got to input NOR gate used in electronic circuit for as a NOR gate. So here two inputs and one output NOR gate. So now move forward to the PLC programming. Here we have used both normal switch in normal closed switch in series. So output is high. So likewise truth table, you can see that truth table, and output is high, and all other for combination output is Y, output is low. So this one is the NOR gate representation. We have represent this ladder logic using that NOT and AND, NOT of AND gate, NOT of both input and AND gate. So we can represent this NOR gate. Now we study XNOR gate. XNOR gate is an exclusive NOR gate. So exclusive or of NOT. So we have defined formula here. So AB plus AB bar is the formula for XNOR gate. So this one is the truth table. Exactly opposite of the XOR gate is the XNOR gate. So we have made a gate representation for PLC programming. So AB plus AB bar is we have designed with AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. IC 4077 CMOS quad to input XNOR gate is used in electronic circuit as a XNOR gate. There is a two input and one output. Now we move forward the PLC program representation. So if you see that they have used combination in a parallel. So AB plus EB bar. We have used both open switch and both closed switch in parallel. So when switch A is closed and B is open, the output becomes low. And when both switch is closed, so output is high. Or both switch is open, output is high. This one is the XNOR gate. So these all are the gates we have studied. We have not having to study in a deep for PLC programming. Now we have covered logic gates in this episode 1. For PLC programming, you don't need deep information about logic gates. So it is enough information to the understand the PLC logics. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for encouraging me, and we will come with new topics related to PLC programming. Thank you once again.